Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get extra pet slots and grow a garden. Okay guys, to get the extra pet slots, you need to go to this location, the Pet X shop, and then you're going to talk to this NPC, and then you're going to click on show me the pet info. Okay, and this is how you can get the extra pet slots. You need to trade in pets for the extra pet equip slots here. And as you can see, we need at least 20 years old pet to trade for the extra pet equip slots. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my garden and I'm going to pick up my pet, one of my pet here. Click on this icon. Oops, sorry. Click on this icon and I'm going to take my starfish. I'm going to pick it up because my starfish is already more than 20 years old. Let's say that 20 years old, guys. I don't know. And I'm going to go back to the gear area and I'm going to hold my starfish like this, and we can click on talk. And we're going to click on show me the pet info. Okay, and then I'm going to trade in the starfish for the extra pet equip slots. Click on the pet, and then you're going to click on trade in selected pet. Okay, and click on confirm. Okay, and I have already unlocked one extra pet equip slot. And I'm going to go back to my garden, and then I'm going to select this pet. Okay, and also this one. Okay, and finally I have 4 active pets in my garden. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.